Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm in the members areas of Proto. And here we are. We've got the sidebar here, our access, all the stuff here. You got your video. I'll get back to that later. We'll go to my bonus page. I'll see what you would get when you buy through my link. With this, the bonuses you'll get by purchasing Proto through my link. So, what this is about. We revolutionize e-commerce forever. New app recreates three-step super e-com funnels that crushes Amazon's Shopify and eBay combined, banking us $458.42 daily. And you've got 5 days for this one. So what is Proto all about? Well, Proto is the world's first app that build e-commerce super funnels that can convert 10 times better than the regular stores, Shopify, Amazon, and generates 1,000 to 3,000 daily. It also comes loaded with hundreds of hot trending products, suppliers links, suppliers link, price markup, Facebook creativity videos, targeting, and every other tools you need to crush ecom prices and upsells. Front end, Proto, $19. Access the powerful Proto software and training modules. Upsell number 1, unlimited $67. Remove all of the limits from your account. Unlock premium features. Unlimited ecom funnels. Unlimited winning products. Connect to our private suppliers. Unlimited posting, commercial license, and unlimited profits. Upsell number 2, done for you, $2.97. We'll set everything up and do the hard work for you while you keep 100% profit, no trial or an error. Upsell number 3, automation, $47. Automate your Proto account and let it run on autopilot with zero work. Upsell number 4, Swift product profits, $67. Get massive unfair advantage over other members of Proto. Upsell number 5, limitless traffic, $127. Unleash a tsunami of untapped hot buyers traffic to your ecom super funnels daily. Upsell number 6, franchise edition, $197. Done for you software business in a box without any hassles, setup, or costs. Upsell number 7, multi-income edition, $47. And 10 new automated income streams in addition to Proto, and make more money without working extra plug and play system. Here are some of key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% brand new, no store ecom technology. Launch your first super ecom funnel today. No Shopify, no Amazon, and no complex setup. No product handling, zero ad costs. 47 beta testers have generated a net profit of $186,591.17. So far. Stupid simple method, perfect for newbies with zero experience. Zero competition, no hidden fee, and no extra expenses. Plus, get paid $200 if you don't get any traffic or sales. All this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Watch the demo video of Proto, which I won't because it's 20 minutes long and I'm on into that one. You can do that on your own time. Get Proto now and get all the bonuses below. Access Enigma. Well, this is a course. The Enigma course is a course where you get viral Facebook, you clone viral Facebook videos and you snatch the traffic and you siphon some of the traffic off those viral videos by cloning those winning videos. That's any access. You need access to this, so that means you have to create an account, which means email and password. Okay, done with bonus number 2, 46.95 lockdown. This is another one, and you need the same thing. You need to create an account, and you need email and password for that as well. And what you will get is product from this one. You get some products from David Islam, because that's his product, and he'll give you some product in that course and teach you what to do with that and how to sell and get commissions. Bonus number 3, 344, content creation hack. This is to do with using YouTube videos to capture the content of the video and turn it into written content, and then put that up on your blog and that, or send it to as a file, was it a sort of file, as a PDF file, and to your subscribers, and get some sales that way. That's another one. Bonus number 4, $267. Gemini is another course, so you have to, once again, it's email and password. So great, you need to create an account. And Gemini is about list building. So you get to how to build your list and how to do squeeze pages and all that kind of stuff. All right, to do with list building. A bonus number 5, $197. Take action today and access all the vendor bonuses, and you have 5 days to do it. And I'm Tony Maynard, the creator of this bonus page. And we'll go to sales page now. We go to the sales page. When it loads, okay, so when you go up to the top of the browser, this is what happens. You get a $2 discount if you want to take it off. But okay, so if you take on the bump, well, then that does away with that, of course. So that's the thing. So just $9.95 for that. Well, it's up to you whether you want to take that bump off, but you can $2 off the front end off the front end product by clicking that to get the discount off the front end. And that's the heading again, as I read on the bonus page. And we've got your video, you got your some benefits down there, right? And you got click here to get started, and it's what, $16.95, so might as well say $17 to front end. So that's what I said, $2 off that. Well, that's $15. So and then it's some proof. Take action, take a close look of this. There's some proof, income. Click Jeff Bezos. Oh, that's funny. That's real funny. That's good. Oh dear. Yeah. Yeah, he's an old man now. See, he's getting old, eh? Well, that's how it is, eh? Sickening, isn't it? Amazon, biggest shop. Yeah, but the thing, with Amazon, it's trusted. See, it's a trusted brand. So has been around for 20, 35, 25 years. So it's a trusted brand. Get your giggers up. Now, well, maybe not. I don't think so. I don't think so somehow. But anyway, they can say what they like. There's the banner ads. You got banner ads here, see? There's some banner ads. Or they're not banner ads. They're actually just banners of Amazon. What Amazon does. I mean, but this is Amazon is a trusted brand. Trusted by consumers. So that's the thing. Maybe, and this isn't. So that's it. Shopify, another one that's a trusted brand. Yeah. Yeah, well, crying because you've not got no money. I know, yeah, I know. I know what that's about. I friggin' know what that's about. Alright, that's for sure. Oh yes, I know what that's about. Yeah. And the truth is, John Armstrong cried too, like a baby. His wife had to console him because he couldn't get it to work. But he's a millionaire now. You know, so he persisted, and he, with the encouragement of his wife. So yeah, yeah. So there you go. Just get click away. This is it. Step one, click. Step two, select. Step two, to turn on. Step three, get profit. Yeah, yeah. Be great if it was that easy, eh? Yeah, click here to now just to get started here. Okay, whatever. You know, and there's the guy who did this, Sati Leakey. He's the guy, you know, that's created this, you know. And some testimonials now. Testimonials. Yeah, some testimonials there. Opportunity. Maybe, you know, um, people don't seem to think that there's opportunity because their opportunity is to work a job. Well, I don't know if that's right or wrong really, because the truth of the matter is, some of these guys here, some of these people were making hundreds of thousands of dollars online, and they're living the laptop lifestyle, but most people ain't. Most people are just getting earned income where they got to be there. And that's it. Oh, that's so sad. You know, it is so sad, you know. And I know that you have to build something. There's some more stuff here. You have to build something, A business, you have to build it, and then it's the question, you build it and then they don't come. No, because then you have to get the traffic, see. Yeah. E-com super funnel, daily fresh products, multiple singular support. Here's all the things. You can read that yourself. I mean, I know you're quite capable. You know, introducing Proto. Proto, it's just $17. Basic $16.95. More proof of income, people making money. Where, maybe the old way is no longer viable. Yeah, well, it never was. Well, that's not true either. It depends on what you do and how you do it, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure about this, but anyway, there's the sales page. So we're going down a bit, click, select, turn on profit. Yeah, it was only that was that easy. If it was that easy, here's some bonuses. Proto includes, yes, you will need to Proto app, Proto multilingual module, Proto product vault, Proto $375 million plus traffic vault, Proto ads vault, Proto AR intelligent integration, Proto mobile edition, training videos, world-class support. That's not everything. Plus the bonus, number one bonuses, see. Now we've got bonuses now. Proto 5-figure in 60 days, live e-commerce event. Proto Facebook e-commerce marketing solution, no store system. Bonus 3, Proto mobile e-commerce simplified. Bonus 4, Proto traffic booster secrets. Proto 5, bonus 5, Proto print on demand profits. Yep, and then we got the sales here, more testimonials, and more stuff with blurb, and get started for $17, more blurb, and there's your guarantee. Right, what's your guarantee here? Guarantee. Let's see, I don't know. Our 365-day ironclad guarantee. There you go. So you got 365 days to figure it out and get it done, and if it works, then all good. If not, you can get your money back. So that sounds good to me. This is what you get. Yeah, so there it is, 360, and this is a guy that's done this. There's frequently asked questions. You can go through that, and that's the end of the sales page. Let's go to the members area. Here we go at the members area. So like I said before, you got your dashboard, then you got your super funnels, which are here. See, so you've got create super funnel, or you can view the super funnels. And how much time have we had? 15 minutes already, so that's no. So you got sales history, you got automation. What's that? Automation. You've got hang on. Automation. You broadcast, email swipes, and abandon orders. So, oh no, that's broadcast and email. So that's your automation. Oh, that's not, well, that's to do with email. So do it to a list. So there you go. Abandon orders is another one. Settings. You got tutorials. Yeah, well, you got some tutorials there. You got to go through. Upgrades, support, and bonuses. There'll be bonuses that you get. And then you got your instructional video. This one here is very important to go through first, and then you say you know what to do, and then go down to the tutorials here, right? See that? And then go through the other videos as well. So then you get to know how to handle, what to do with this particular opportunity here, Proto, and in the Proto members area. All right, so that's what you have to do. I mean, it's just that, just follow the thing here and do the training, right? You do this one first, and then go to the tutorials here and do the others. There's a couple of others as well, and and there's some instruction there as well on what to do with this. Okay, and with that, we'll go back to my bonus page. Run through it again. I'm not going to beat around the bush here. It's going on a bit long, so. What do you get? Well, you get Enigma. That's the first one you get. You get lockdown formula. You get the content creation hack. You get Gemini, and you get when you take action today, you get all the vendor bonuses as well. And you click the button below to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown hits 0. And any of these yellow buttons will take you to the sales page. See them here? They'll take you to the sales page, and you can pick up your copy of Proto. And you've got a 365-day guarantee. So you've got 365 days to give this a whirl and get it working. So just bang it and see and give it a go. I mean, for $17, well, why not? Front end. So give it a whirl. And I'll say, well, you can pick this up on the video that I'm making right here, and you can pick that up. You'll be able to click on the link in the description or in the first comments to get access to this bonus page, so you can get access to the sales page, which is any one of these yellow buttons, and purchase your copy of Proto and start your journey in the online space. Okay. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.